We are continuing our coverage here at the beautiful Precious Metals Summit taking place in Beaver Creek, Colorado, and I'm excited to catch up with my next guest here, Jeff Pontius of Corvus Gold, who is our sponsor here for the conference. So thank you for the support. Thank you for making this happen. Thank you for having us here.
Yeah, we're happy to do it, and this is a great venue. It's very important for us. We get to meet not only strategics here, but a lot of our shareholders, and it's really a great opportunity for Corvus to be here.
And Jeff, I don't remember the last time we spoke, but I know it was definitely before this bull run this summer. So tell us a little bit about how life has changed for the company.
Well, I think the juniors have yet to get the same lift that the majors have, but it's coming. And life is a lot easier. And when we start looking at opportunities to develop assets, growing resources, certainly when you have a healthy gold environment, it's a great way to go in and deliver for the shareholders, I think.
Has the surge in the gold price changed your focus for 2019 and 2020 now? Has this made you stop and say, okay, let's relook at things now?
To somewhat it has. I mean, we're continuing on with our exploration, our new discovery exploration, and our ability to go in and really optimize some of these projects that we've already defined and make them bigger. So that is changed a little bit, but really Corvus is out there trying to find that next big discovery to add in to a district that now, we're looking at being well over 4 million ounces in pit resource at Corvus.
Okay, well, your two main projects right now are North Bullfrog and the Motherlode gold projects. What's the latest on both fronts here?
Motherlode, we had a great opportunity to do our phase 3 expansion program. That looks really good. It's going to add a lot of ounces to that deposit. The northernmost holes on that deposit, as we're chasing the deposit to the north, have really returned some of the best results we've ever seen. It looks like maybe the higher grade center of the mineralization may be to the north of us. So we've got a development drill plan that we're going to go after, checking that out, and we could be looking at a few million ounces out in that end of the deposit. So that's very exciting for us right now.
I think last time we spoke, you also told me you were focused on 3 main areas of optimization: lower cost, improved sulfide processing, and increased mineral resource base. Has one of these taken a main spotlight right now?
Yeah, I think when we look at the configuration of the mine, we now see an early, what we call phase 1 part of the deposit. It's going to be a low capital project. It'll be in the neighborhood of 80 million or less on CapEx to get up and going, producing maybe 120, 125,000 ounces a year over a 6-year startup. And that could deliver to the project enough cash to finance all the rest of the development of all the other deposits here. So that is a really critical step. That really takes a ton of risk out of the project. It's all oxide, shallow pit. It really is an opportunity for the project to just take off and go. And it should be more attractive to a whole variety of different development groups, I think.
Jeff, you said you're focused on exploration as well. Is that just within Nevada, or are you open to other places here?
Actually, we have a great land package right now that's underexplored, and our focus right now, and will be for the next 12 months, is on our land package we're currently sitting on top of now.
You mentioned before that the juniors haven't quite felt the love yet. Do you think we will need to see a gold price of $1,900 or higher to get that money flowing back to the juniors? What's it going to take?
I think if we show stability at $1,500, that whole curve inflection that we saw in the last bull gold market that we remember will happen. The purchasing of gold exposure will go down market into the junior names, and we'll see that terrific takeoff that we saw in 2009. And I don't think it's that far away.
I think a lot of people watching will be happy to hear that. Any final thoughts for investors watching, Jeff?
Yeah, I think, really you're going to see a much better, a much more developable project come out of Corvus Gold, along with resource expansion and optimization work we're doing now. We're cracking the sulfide issue in the Motherlode deposit, and I think things are going to look really good for this, and the timing of it coming in a strong gold market is just opportune for our shareholders.
Fantastic. Well, I wish you continued success. Best of luck with that project, and we'll speak to you soon.
Great, thanks,
Jeff Pontius
Danielle.
of Corvus Gold joining me here on the sidelines of the Precious Metals Summit in Beaver Creek. We are getting rained on, so he's a great sport. Thanks so much for watching. We'll have more for you on Kitco.com. Thanks, Jeff.